Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Luminous Whitening and Repairing Lotion. This review was requested for. Please stay tuned for the review. Thanks for staying. Now, this Luminous White Lotion claims to be a whitening and repairing lotion that contains snail mucin and niacinamide. The Luminous White Lotion specifically claims to be a face and body lotion that effectively treats pimples, stretch marks, sunburn, scars, knuckles, and green veins. Lastly, the lotion claims to be 100% natural. Then let me also add that this lotion looks exactly like Asian white, particularly the Asian niacinamide and snail mucin variant. In fact, they say and claim to do the same thing. And that's it for the overview of the Luminous White Lotion. Now to the user review. And the one and only user review I could get for this lotion says the cream is very amazing. Yeah, that's it. Now, first of all, this Luminous White Lotion is not a whitening lotion. Forget about the whitening written on it. It does not whiten. It's just a skin lightening lotion, and then even the lightening itself, it is only if your skin is that type that responds very well to the effect of skin lightening products that you may get up to 2 shades lighter with this. Otherwise, maybe just brightening, nothing more. Then for the claim that it repairs damaged skin, yeah, this lotion actually helps to even out discoloration, you know, all those multicolored legs and hands gotten from strong harsh skincare products. It helps to even out such. Then it also helps to reduce the appearance of stretch marks, but it does not clear stretch marks. It also helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots on the body. But for the spots and pimples on face, I honestly have no confirmation if it can treat that. Then for green veins, this lotion or any other lotion that calls itself a skin repair lotion does not actually clear green veins. The truth is that the main reason why the green veins on your body became less visible or totally no more visible is because you discontinued the product you were using that initially made the green veins visible. Discontinuing that product is the number one reason that the green veins are no longer visible. Not necessarily because you were using any repair lotion. Trust me, even if you don't apply anything on your body, you leave your skin like that, your skin will go back to factory setting. The green veins will go away. So it's not actually because of a repair lotion. So now, if you are planning to use this lotion because your skin was damaged by some cream or any other product, bad product that you used, I will advise that instead of just going ahead to start using this Luminous White Lotion immediately you stopped that bad cream, instead of just moving on straight to use this Luminous Lotion, just give your skin a break. Let your skin rest small. Give your skin small time to rest from anything whitening or lightening. Allow your skin cell to turn over. If you can let your skin rest for up to 30 days, it will be good. Don't even scrub your skin that period. Just be using only a moisturizer and a regular bathing soap. Nothing lightening, nothing whitening. You may get dark, definitely. You may get dark that period. But just endure and let your skin rest. You're the one that will enjoy the result at the end. Then after that period of letting your skin rest, you can now start using this Luminous White Lotion. That is how you will even get the best result from this lotion to help with repairing your damaged skin. But note that this lotion is not very moisturizing. So if you have a dry skin, you may want to use it along with a tissue oil like bio oil. Then another thing to note about this lotion is that it has carrot seed oil in it. So some persons who react to carrot extracts may experience reactions like white patches from this lotion. But overall, this Luminous White whitening and repairing lotion. Is a lotion that is packed with skincare ingredients that help, very good skincare ingredients that help to improve the appearance of skin generally. Ingredients like snail mucin, retin A, vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 is the same as niacinamide and other essential oils. So it's a good one to try. Give it a try and see how it goes for you. And that brings me to the end of today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.